everybody, welcome back to Homeschool PE with Miss Colburn. There's my awesome homeschool helper, Latte. Her and I are out in Palos Verdes this time, out for a nice, beautiful hike, enjoying the scenery. We have our water. I have her leash in my pocket and my mask. So make sure you don't forget those things at home. Today we're going to talk about proper form as you're hiking. So when you're hiking, oftentimes you'll see a lot of roots and rocks that you can trip on. So we want to make sure that we are having higher knees. And when we're going up hills, we want to make sure we're using our arms. That's going to give us a little bit more endurance, and it also makes us faster. So if we use our arms and we pick up our knees, make sure we're walking with higher knees, that's going to help us when we're on the trails. So who is able to get outside and do a hike this weekend for PE? Raise your hand. This is our beautiful view that I had for my PE session. I hope you can take it in, enjoy it, and let's keep walking, shall we? All right, so if you'll notice, I don't have Latte on a leash right now because she is staying right next to me. But what if she wasn't? Is it okay to let your dog just kind of go anywhere on the trail? Absolutely not. It's actually quite dangerous because what can happen is other dogs can get into fights, people can get scared, and you are responsible for your pet. So if your dog is not trained off leash, please keep it on a leash the whole time. And when you're walking downhill especially, you want to make sure you're looking down on the trail so that you are not going to trip over rocks, but you also want to look up so that you're not going to run into trees, other people, or things on the trail. So you'll see that these trees over here, they're kind of dead looking. Where do you think that came from? Why do you think those trees died? Well, there's a lot of reasons. Maybe they got a disease, because if you'll see this tree right here, it's alive and well. Trees get sick just like people do. And we get to see a lot of different parts of nature when we enjoy nature. What happens if you see litter on the trail? You know what? Let's pick it up. Because nobody likes to see litter on a trail. So let's keep walking. Do I want to go left or do I want to go right? We've got Eagle's Nest or Ailer. I think we're going to take Eagle's Nest. So we are going closer down to the ocean, and we're going to enjoy a nice, beautiful view. And I'm going to go ahead and pick up this litter on the way, because again, nobody likes to see a dirty nature trail. And I have my handy dandy cup that I'm going to go ahead and put it in. My guess is people probably use this as bathroom tissue. So when I get back, I am definitely going to wash my hands. So again, I want to make sure that I'm using my arms. Oops. And looking down on the trail. And as you'll see, Latte is still right next to me. She's having an awesome time, just like I am. And we are enjoying the beauty of the ocean and nature. And I hope you guys can get out, enjoy a little bit of the trails. And if not, I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you like to just walk in place in front of the TV, enjoy a little bit of exercise, you can do that too. So I hope to see you guys in a few weeks. I hope that you are getting in your Zoom time with your teachers, and I miss you. I can't wait to see you. Have a wonderful week, everybody. Stay safe, stay sane, stay active, stay healthy. We'll see you next time.